Hello everybody, Mr. Heeb here, and we just finished making classes for both cards and a deck. We can shuffle a deck, we can deal out hands. Now it's time to make games. Alright, so while we're making games, I know that it's going to be different in Thonny than it is in Trinket, just a little bit, and so I'm going to show you those little differences. First off, in Thonny, what we want to do is create our separate folder. So I created a folder called War, because the first game we're going to make is War, and I saved the cards in there, the folder, or the file. So I have cards, I did save as, I put it in one specific folder. Now I'm going to create a new file, clicking here, new file, and then I want to save this in the same folder, desktop, War, and then I am going to call this War Game. Alright, so now we have everything set up. Now if we go to Trinket, we have everything on our main file. Now if I make another file here and do this, it will only run the main. So we need to make this file cards.py. Now that's a Python file, and I'm going to take everything from this. I'm going to hit Control A to select all, Control X to get rid of it all, or you can Control C and then delete it again. And then once you're here, Control V, and then everything that we had previously is now in the cards.py. So now when we go to the main, now this is the main part of our program. So this is where our game is going to be at. And in Thonny, this is where the game is going to be at. So the first line that we're going to start with is we are going to import the deck and the card. So I'd say from cards.py, or just from cards, import. So we want to import, what do we call it? Do we call it card? Yeah, card. And then from cards, import deck. So you've done this before, but you haven't created those files. Now we've actually created files that you can import stuff in. We're going to import this and this in. That's great. So now we start this and it looks clean. It's just taking that information from there. So now we're going to say war is equal to deck. So that gets a deck. War.make deck. That makes all of the cards in the deck. War.shuffle deck. And now let's just print war to see if it is all working. So I'm going to come up here, turn this from console to run. And now if I run it, notice that to the right, we have made a deck. And each time I do it, it is a different shuffled deck of 52 cards. Perfect. So now let's deal out the hands. All right. So let's look at this real quick. When we deal out the hands, we get a hand 1 and hand 2, and it gets returned as hand 1, hand 2. So let's to split these into two variables, I'll say hand 1, hand 2 equals war.deal. Is it deal hand or deal hands? Deal hand. So we're going to deal hand, and in parentheses we say how many cards we want each person to get. Well, in the war game, we take the deck of 52, split it in half, so we want 26 cards in each hand. So now I'm just going to print hand 1. That looks like hand 1, and if we print hand 2, that looks good. All right. So now we have two different hands, so we can start playing this game.